Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, viewers. Today, I would like to say something about belief. Many people believe in God. Many people believe in God. So do I. I believe in God too. But if you look at this way, just because you believe in God, that word belief, many people they take and cheat, and they take and they betray, just say because you believe on that thing. E good make person dey believe, or when you see something and when person talk to you, because of that trust you get, you say I trust this person and I believe say this person go fit do this thing for me. So you don trust that person, you don give that person all your heart, you don give am everything, so you don believe am say the person go fit do that thing for you. You no get that doubt say the person go fit betray you. You no ever get that thing for mind, and that thing no come to you because you believe on that, or believe wetin that person wan tell you, or wetin the person go do. You don believe that person. But if you look am this way, e good say before you dey believe person or dey trust person, e good make you dey watch first and dey careful. No say I believe on this man, I believe on this man na man of God, this man na this one na that, then you come believe on am. And that time when you dey believe on that person, dey get trust on that person, when the person tell you say do this thing na so this thing be, you go do the thing because you believe on that. You believe wetin the person tell you, you don believe am. So this couple, this young man, he marry im wife for years. The wife no dey pregnant. So wetin e go, wetin e come in mind, e don go see many doctors, e don go round. Even dem don dey laugh the man, say look, na man, even men these days dey pregnant. Then the woman wey you put for house, so you say na woman, na man. E no even years una don dey, no sign of anything of una marriage. So dem don dey tease the man, dem don dey make the man dey uncomfortable for im own home. Say make e leave the woman, say make e leave the woman. But one thing be say, una no go test. You no know whether na you the man get the fault or na the woman get the fault. None of una know. All wetin una believe say the woman no fit dey pregnant. But why men dey think that thing, or why dey let that thought dey come their mind say na women get that problem? Why? Okay, because of this stress, all these things, na this woman carry her problem go meet man of God, go meet this pastor, beg, say see the problem wey im dey go or wey im dey get now. He say see, he don marry im husband for years. He say now nothing come out, im dey fear make im no lost im husband. Na the man of God say okay, im go pray for you. And how he wan take pray for this woman now? So this woman na don tell this man everything about im husband. He don tell the man everything, nothing, anything wey he wan do with im husband, or wetin he wan do, or wetin he don do, he pass everything to this pastor, this man of God. He tell am. So this man, this pastor, take that opportunity, that advantage, enter this woman private life. So anything wey this man, because he don believe on this man now, anything wey this man tell am, na this woman dey do. Now he tell this woman make he keep some secrets from her own husband wey don marry am, wey dey don dey for years. He say make he dey keep some certain things from the man. He say and with this she go dey pregnant. But come to look this thing, how wetin go come make think that thing? You see, How you go tell a whole man of God go tell the woman when e be say na the man and the woman dey find this thing, now you say make this woman go give distance small from the husband, then you dey tell the woman say see wetin e go do wey go make her dey pregnant. How she go take dey pregnant like this now? You see, because the woman don believe, don get that belief, because na man of God. You don't get that belief. So na the man na the pastor na dey tell the woman wetin to do. Na the pastor na go tell this woman when he go see him husband and when he no go see him husband. When he go anything he wan do, na the before she do anything, he go first tell the pastor. Because he don't believe the man. He don't believe say na man of God. So the man get power to tell am wetin go happen for the next. No, that thing no dey exist. Now wetin you tell the man, na the man dey work take attack you now. So the man na tell the pastor, tell am say the fault come from the man. Why the pastor go think when una no go for test, you and your husband never go for test? The only thing be say you no dey pregnant for years, and why you think so? So now wetin the man of God use for this woman, because she don't believe on the man. So now the pastor dey tell her wetin to do and wetin not to do. At the end of everything, this woman come dey go with the pastor. They go with the pastor because the pastor he believe the man. They go with the pastor. Tell the pastor will tell her say, no go with your husband today. No make this for your husband. No do this for your husband. The woman go believe. But how you go believe? That will not be treatment when you go take to make you dey fertile. That will not be the treatment when you get. But she don't believe. But she don't know say the pastor or the man of God, when she think they try to destroy a marriage home. But this lady don't think so. And many people they think like that. Say yes, anything when they get to do, now the pastor or now the man of God, now go first tell them waiting to do. Now the man of God, now go first tell them, say see waiting won't happen. And this time when you the man of God, or you believe on this, or you not believe on that, you they destroy your happiness. Why you not share this particular pains when you get, or this idea when you get with your husband? Because now both of them they look for this thing. But why you not share this thing like that with the man? If you think, say, because you get this belief, and this belief when you get, you think say it go help you for this problem when you put for front of the man or the man of God, now big mistake you make. Now big mistake you make. At the end, wetin happen to this woman? The pregnancy when she define, she no see am from the pastor. Now so the pastor or the man of God go with many women. At the end, she discover say she catch this very man of God when she believe he catch am with a different woman again. Now wetin she do? She no fit cry out to tell her husband. She no fit cry out because that pain when she take believe this man, they affect her now. They affect her. She no fit say na this thing wey she dey do na stop her when no make her get pregnancy or when no make her dey pregnant. I mean, she no think that one. Many people no get that brain to think. Or wetin they get, or wetin dey that their brain na that belief wey they get. Say when you do this, you go dey pregnant. No. Try go through the right way. Try see medical. Try see gynecologist. Because now this thing might be your problem. Make gynecologist. Make they check you. Make they tell you wetin you get there. Not man of God. These days, man of God, many dey fake. Many fake man of God dey with that name of belief or with that name of miracle. That thing dey very common these days. So one thing is that if you get problem like that, or you dey look for something, go through the right door. Go through the right door and knock. If na work you dey find, na money you dey find to do this one, look for job. If na pregnancy and you dey look for child, go to gynecologist make dem tell you your problem. If na body pains or all these things you get pains, you get this for body or leg pain or this one, see medical doctor. So everything get name. Not go through the wrong door or through the back door. Those things don't help you. Go through the right door. Look for the right door to knock. So thank you, viewers, and have a wonderful day. If you like my video, just give me like and subscribe me. Thanks.